Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use Elevenlabs. So this is the main page where you generate your text-to-speech using voices. If you click on here, you can see the pre-made ones that Elevenlabs give you automatically, and also cloned ones if you've cloned any yourself. Start with select a voice you want, and you can also play around with the voice settings. Depending how you change these will depend what sort of emotion and voice it will give you. But to generate some text, you simply type it in here and go ahead and click generate.
Hello, my name is Adam.
And it will give you a basic sample. Now if you didn't like it, you can change stuff and generate it again, or if that was good, you can just download it down here. Now if you want to use custom voices, we actually have a video showing how to do this, so make sure to check that out. And it'll basically let you clone anyone's voice you like. Here I've got some of the US presidents and characters from Breaking Bad. Now you might not like the voices they give you and you might not want to do this, so what you can do from there is go to the voice library. And here it shows you voices that other people have made that you can test out. You can click here to sample it, hear what they sound like. And if you like it, you can add it to the voice lab and then it will appear in here and you can use it and generate text-to-speech with it. And the last one we're going to check out is history. Here it will show you past results. So if you generated a result you liked and accidentally lost it, you can come back here, click on it.
Hi, my name is Trump.
You can click on it to hear it, and if it sounds good, you can download it if you need it. Or you can also remove them from here or download multiple at the same time using these options. And that's pretty much the basics of how to use Elevenlabs. If you have any questions, make sure to ask them down below in the comments. And I hope this video helped you. Please like and subscribe if it did. Thanks for watching.